Welcome to Review Rumble. The best pie container is probably one of the most essential kitchen gadgets you never knew you needed. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pie storage, exploring the features and benefits of this fantastic container. Whether you're a baking enthusiast, a party host, or just someone who loves a good slice of pie, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from airtight seals to ease of use, so you can make an informed decision and keep your pies fresher for longer. Number 5. BPA-Free Pie Carrier with Airtight Lid. This pie carrier is designed to fit most baking dishes perfectly. The lid is flat, so it fits easily in the refrigerator and is stackable with other containers. It fits pies up to 10 inches in diameter and 2.25 inches in height. You can use this pie holder in the microwave to reheat baked goods. It's also dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean, and it's safe for the freezer and refrigerator. This design is made to last and make your life easier. The snap-on lid is made of durable, lightweight, BPA-free plastic. It has a hinged lid, so it won't get lost. The airtight design helps maintain freshness longer than open storage. Please note that it is not fully leak-proof, designed for transport and storage, not for carrying liquids. This pie carrier is an essential kitchen accessory for everyday use. It can store 1 or even 2 pies at the same time, and can also hold cookies, cupcakes, and muffins. It serves many purposes in the kitchen. This travel pie carrier is essential for any gathering, like National Pie Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, parties, or picnics. It's designed to keep baked goods fresh and warm for several days, which is significantly longer than typical storage. What we like. This pie carrier is designed to fit most pies, making it perfect for any baker. It's also microwave and dishwasher safe, which means it's super easy to use and clean. If you are looking for a convenient and versatile storage solution for your pies, this is the one for you. What people say. Very sturdy pie carrier. Plenty large enough for my 10 porcelain pie plate and tall topping. Perfect. Exactly what I needed. Very stable, excellent quality. It is great for transport and for storage. Number 4. Southern Homewares 3-in-1 Dessert Carrier. Introducing the Southern Homewares 3-in-1 Dessert Carrier. This versatile container is perfect for transporting and storing all your favorite treats. This set includes 3 different containers, ideal for pies, cakes, cupcakes, muffins, and even deviled eggs. It's a convenient solution for any dessert. Not only is it great for travel, but it also keeps your desserts fresh and ready to serve. It acts as both a cake stand with a lid and a cupcake holder. Made from high-quality plastic, this carrier is built to last through years of regular use. You can rely on it, just like your favorite Tupperware. Designed to accommodate various desserts, this carrier is a versatile addition to your kitchen. It's the perfect way to share your baked goods. This travel pie carrier is an excellent gift for any baker or dessert lover. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, and other special occasions. Give the gift of convenience. What we like. This container is a versatile 3-in-1 set, perfect for carrying a variety of desserts. It's also durable and sturdy, ensuring your baked goods are well protected. If you are looking for a gift for a baker or dessert lover, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The pie container is airtight. The pie container with lid is great for storing pies. The pie container is perfect for transporting pies. Number 3. Glass jar with bamboo lid and spoon. Introducing this beautiful glass jar. It's made of high-grade borosilicate glass, ensuring durability and resistance to high temperatures. The exquisite craftsmanship makes it a perfect addition to any kitchen. The jar comes with a natural bamboo lid and spoon. These materials are healthier and more environmentally friendly than plastic. This ensures your food is stored safely and sustainably. The bamboo lid features a silicone sealing ring. This creates an airtight seal, preventing moisture and contaminants from spoiling your stored items. It keeps everything fresh for longer. With a 15-ounce capacity, this jar is perfectly sized for various ingredients. The included spoon reaches the bottom of the jar. The all-in-one design makes storage simple and convenient. This jar is ideal for storing a wide variety of items. You can use it for bath salts, jams, sugar, tea, coffee beans, spices, and more. It's also great for snacks and overnight oats. The wide mouth design makes cleaning this jar a breeze. It prevents stubborn stains and is dishwasher safe. This makes it easy to maintain and keep it looking its best. What we like. This jar features an airtight seal with a bamboo lid, keeping your ingredients fresh. It offers wide storage capabilities, perfect for various items. If you like a stylish and functional storage solution for your kitchen, this is a great option. What people say. The pie container is airtight. The pie container with lid is great for storing pies. The pie container is perfect for transporting pies. Number 2. MT Products 8 Round Cake Container, 5-pack. This container is ideal for cafes, bakeries, and grocery stores. It's designed to keep your baked goods fresh and delicious. It is perfect for an 8-round 2-layer cake. Made in America, this container is made of durable APD plastic. It's lightweight yet strong, so you can easily transport your cakes. This ensures it won't tear or rip. The clear dome lid provides an elegant presentation for any party or celebration. It allows for optimal product visibility without any mess. It will highlight your cakes and cookies. The snap seal locks the top and bottom together, preserving freshness. The base keeps the cake from sliding around. It has an easy take-off lid. Its lightweight design and secure closure make it perfect for travel. The snap closure prevents accidental opening. It ensures your cake arrives safely. What we like. This container offers a perfect presentation for your baked goods. It keeps your items fresh with an efficient snap seal. If you are looking for a safe and stylish way to transport your cakes, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The pie container is airtight. The pie container with lid is great for storing pies. It is a great pie carrier. Number 1. LocknLock Purely Better 9.5 Glass Pie Baking Dish. Introducing the LocknLock Purely Better Glass Pie Baker. This durable container offers lasting freshness and easy cleaning. It's designed to make your baking and storage experience better. This versatile pie and quiche baker features a unique 4-hinge locking lid system. It's been durability tested for long-lasting performance, ensuring it can withstand up to 3 million uses. The glass food storage container has an enhanced, airtight, and leak-proof locking system. This feature keeps your food fresh for longer and prevents any unwanted drips or spills, keeping your kitchen clean. This glass container is oven-safe up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, freezer-safe, and microwave-safe. This versatility makes it incredibly convenient for all your cooking and storage needs. Remember, the lid is not intended for oven use. Cleaning up is a breeze with this pie baker. It's dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy after you've enjoyed your delicious creations. The borosilicate glass construction can withstand sudden temperature changes up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This means it can go straight from the freezer to the oven, saving you time and effort. What we like. This pie baker is made of durable glass, ensuring long-lasting use. It features an airtight and leak-proof locking system to keep foods fresh. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-clean pie dish, this is the one for you. What people say. The pie container is airtight. The pie container with lid is great for storing pies. The pie container is perfect for transporting pies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.